Hey guys! This video is on how to do the white line transition like this. On CapCut, let's start. So get to clips ready and crop if you need. First press on overlay. Press stock videos. And choose the white photo. Turn it around so it's portrait. Then cut it so it's 1 or 0.9 seconds long. And put it in between both clips. Now press on it and scroll to mask. Press film strip. And make it shorter to how you want it. Also make sure the number at the top is 0. And then press the mini arrows to blur it a bit, optional. Now I'm just changing it more. Now go to the beginning of the white line and press the diamond icon. They are called keyframes. Now add a keyframe at the end too. So you should have 2 keyframes. Go to the first keyframe and move the white line to the beginning like I do. Then go on the other keyframe and move the white line to the end. So it should look like this. Now make sure none of the keyframes are red and scroll till you see graphs. Press Season 3. Now you're done.